Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we'll know that how you can import data in Google Colab, because Google Colab is very important notebook. You can use it anywhere or for anything. You're going to for do some tasks related to data science, data analytics. So Google Colab is perfect tool, because you also do the same thing Jupyter Notebook, but you have to install the Jupyter Notebook or need a lot of module for run the Jupyter Notebook. So you can use instead Google Colab. So for that you should import the data in Google Colab. So today's video will know that how you can import data in Google Colab, because you really need to know that how can import data in Google Colab. Otherwise, how you can uh, do the perform the data analytics perform in the Google Colab. So for that you have to just go for the in this option, and you have to, I'm going to just input the Indian faculty dataset. So just open it, you will see just Indian faculty dataset CSV file is come over here. I am just going to see the dataset. For the dataset, so for that I have to import pandas. Pandas is a really important tool to analytics or see the data. SPD. So I just hit it 2 times, so remove 1 time, and df equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Just go over here and copy the path and paste it here and run the code and cdf. You see the dataset. Okay, this is how you can import data in Google Colab. So this video is very important for you to, if you don't know how can you import dataset in Google Colab. Thank you guys.